I'm Elise Bleckman, your National Absolut Ambassador, and today I'm excited to introduce you to Absolut's newest addition to our flavor range, Absolut Watermelon. In line with our Absolut flavors, Absolut Watermelon contains no added sugar or color. The bottle itself features a vibrant back panel to enhance shelf visibility. This fresh fruit-forward expression of Absolut vodka has a lower ABV of 38% to deliver an enhanced flavor experience for the perfect balance with soda or your favorite mixer. A light and refreshing palate and aroma make Absolut Watermelon the perfect base for all of your favorite Absolut cocktails. From an Absolut and soda to a classic Absolut mule, or my personal favorite, the Absolut Watermelon Vodka-Rita, which I will be making for you today. We are going to begin with Absolut Watermelon, poured into our shaking tin with ice. Next, we have 3/4 parts fresh lime juice, followed by 3/4 parts simple syrup. And last, we have 1/4 of orange liqueur. Now we're gonna give this a shake. Last, we're gonna strain this directly over ice in our favorite cocktail glass. What a treat. Of course, if you have a fresh melon around, fresh puree would be a wonderful addition. Absolut Watermelon is sure to be a showstopper at your next casual gathering. And of course, it's perfect for all of our Absolut outdoor moments this summer, next to the pool or at your favorite picnic. Cheers.